Hello everyone, it's been a while. For this new video, we'll be talking about the basics of Kilay grooming, from the basic products to how you can, define your eyebrows or how to maintain it. So we'll be going through them one at a time. But first, why is it important to groom our kilay? Of course, it's not a requirement. It's just that since nowadays we often wear a mask, kada labas natin, or even if we work from home, there will be times that you'll be required to face the camera. And there's no better way to frame your face para mas maganda ang rehistro natin sa camera or our kilay, though we expect them to be perfect and to be really similar to each other, but that's not how it goes. Just like what they say, they're just sisters, but they're not twins. So don't be too pressured to make them always on the same condition, like laging pantay. There are really times na bad kilay days. You try to have kilay for the day, the killer kilay, but it still went wrong. First on the list is to analyze what kind of kilay you have. Bushy brows, which we all aim for. When you say bushy brows, yun yung talagang malalago and they just need a little trimming, yung gupit-gupit na lang or konting shave na lang sa baba or sa taas or in between. But for some, they would have to, do a little more effort on defining the kilay. So yung sinasabi nagdo-drawing pa. Okay, let's have the basic products. If you have bushy brows, you don't really require much unless you want to really define it. You can use a number of products depending on, let's say, kung saan ka pupunta. So, let's start from the traditional one. So, we got used to having pencils as brow products. So, when we say pencil, yun yung talagang tinatasahan. And oftentimes, they come with a spoolie at the other end. Nowadays, marami na lumabas na bagong pencil types. We call them the retractable pencils because retractable, yung napipihit, sana, yan, lumalabas siya on that end. There are retractable pencils like this, but when you retract them, yung may angle. There's an angle. So this is good for drawing hair-like strokes. Okay. Pwede rin naman yung mga pomade, those that come in this container. Okay, so these are gel, ubos na pala siya. These are gel products na you have to use a flat brush, angled brush, to get the product in it, and then you have to draw it in there. Or another formula for this is the one which comes in, this is still gel type, can come from a pump like this. Another, which I have just recently tried, is the brow soap. So this is good for those with bushy brows. This is just clear. If you want it tinted, there's mocha or the brown, or there's black. And then you just have to use a spoolie, the brush. Then you just have to do that, and then you brush it over. I'll be demonstrating those techniques later. Preparation muna. Brush it first. So I use this spoolie. You just have to brush your kilay and follow the direction of its growth. You always have the option to trim it, to shave it. I don't know if shaving is the proper term for it, but this is a blade which is really used for facial hair, specifically on our kilay. This is, I think, more convenient to use. So all you have to do after you have brushed your hair, so papadaanan mo lang yung mga kilay or yung strands, yung hair na lampas yung sa desired shape mo. Kasi minsan, yung growth din ng kilay natin, yung hair sa taas, medyo unruly, hindi madaling ma-manage. So you can easily just, it's like swiping motion, like swiper, swipe, something like this. Now, question is, hanggang saan? How do I know when to stop? Ang basic kilay rules, gaano kahaba, hanggang saan, is to use your, let's say, pencil. From this part of your nose, tapat mo lang yung pencil mo, straighten up. And then, there, that mark. doon dapat, that's where your kilay should start on both sides. So you just mark it a little. And then for the arch, when we say arch, yun yung kurba, yung taray the taray part of the kilay. So from that point of your nose, and the pencil should pass through the iris, if I'm not mistaken, the iris of your eyes. So where it passed, nandun ang arch mo. And then where should it end? Minsan sobrang bitin, minsan sobrang haba. So from this side of your nose, let it pass to the corner of your eyes, the outer corner. Yeah. And then it's where your kilay should end. Okay? For those who got used to grooming their kilay using tweezers or yung chane, so you can just choose kung alin ang tatanggalin, alin lang ang sumobra. Though that takes more time than using this blade. Now you can move on to defining it. Let's say you have bushy brows. Malago na yung kilay mo. You don't need lining anymore or defining. So you can purchase brow soap. You can have it like really bushy na nakikita yung strands na nakataas, or you can still tame it after. Others, if they want their kilay not defined but may kulay pa rin, you can use a brow gel. Para siyang mascara but for your kilay. You just have to brush it like that. Pwedeng you just follow the natural direction, the growth direction of your hair. Or, one trick is you go the opposite. So, pwede you go the opposite direction. You just have to be very careful na hindi matintahan yung skin mo. Brush it, brush it, brush it to tame it. But if you want to define it more, I prefer to use the retractable one, yung tapered, yung may angle. Using the tip of this pencil, I hope you can see that. You just have to line it sa ilalim. That will even out the color of the brows. You can use a concealer. You do the same sa taas. For this side, pwede yung mga excess product na lang yung itatap-tap nyo. Tapik-tapik lang. I'll be doing the other side. This is our final kilay look for today. The products that I used are a retractable pencil and a brow gel. Of course, our magic tool, it's the spoolie. And just a recap of the things that you have to consider for basic brow grooming. Consider first or assess the type of brows that you have, whether you have bushy brows or sparse brows. Next would be saan ang punta? What's occasion? So, everyday look would require less of definition. The third would be the products to be used, which one are you more comfortable doing and more convenient to use. And then lastly would be the shade of your brow product. You should get a shade which is close to the color of your hair. So if you have black hair, you can still grab a brown shade. Just get a shade which is suitable also for your complexion. And that's it for our kilay tutorial. I hope you learned something from it, and I'll see you in the next video.